joining this league is petite girl from the textile heaven of Gujarat, Priyanshi Somani, the world's quickest in mental calculation.
It is just the dedication to a subject.
Right.
Kuch पाना है तो you have to work hard for any field.
Usually teachers when the results came, so to make the mark sheet, that time they call Priyanshi, just you total everything. And whatever we are doing in the 2-3 days, you are doing within an hour.
Her grasping power is very powerful. These are the basically techniques. So which of the techniques I teach her, he grasps immediately. Where other students are taking 15-20 minutes or 15-20 times I have to teach them. After that they come to understand.
Blessed with a sharp intellect and mathematical agility, Priyanshi proved her genius at the tender age of 6.
When she was 6 or 6.5, I started UC Maths. And gradually I came to know she is excellent in that. She loves that field. She enjoys. Every time she wants to be champion, and she works really very hard for that. And in her mind every time it was like I want to make new record for that. I want to be champion only. And she did that thing. 3 consecutive years she is a national champion at Chennai.
At 11, she defeated competitors thrice her in the Mental Calculation World Cup in 2010.
No, I was quite confident because I had practiced a lot for it, and I know I have a strong willpower, so मुझे जो करना था वो मुझे मिल गया.
There is a top 40 from the world will be selected for the Mental Calculation World Cup at Germany. So among them, my daughter is going. That's enough for me. And she worked hard. I always support her. Her father, brother, everyone supported her.
Behind this glory and success is back-breaking hard work, put in not only by Priyanshi but also her family.
उसके लिए नए मेथड्स निकालना, वो रात को मैं जग के निकालती थी कि ये चीज़ किस तरह से सॉल्व हो कि उसका कम टाइम जाए एंड बेस्ट वे में कैसे हो सके. कभी कोई सर से सपोर्ट लेती थी या कई ऑल ओवर इंडिया थ्रू आउट द ग्लोब वर्ल्ड में मैंने कई मैथमेटिशियन से कांटेक्ट किया, मेल किया उनसे कि इसका क्या मेथड है बेस्ट. सबके फिर लिए देन फाइनली एक पसंद किया कि ये बेटर है. फिर प्रियांशी से करवा के देखा कि उसका कौन से मेथड में टाइम सेव हो रहा है, वो चूज करके फिर हमने वर्क करना चालू किया.
Attending one of the most prestigious schools in the country, Priyanshi's teachers couldn't be more proud of their talented student.
Always, whenever she goes, and we of course pray for her, whenever she goes and she wins, we always try to, in a manner, we try to recollect Mrs. Shakuntala Devi. So we always think, oh, maybe one day she can be a mathematical wizard like Mrs. Shakuntala Devi. When we were doing the square roots, we did surf the net also, and she herself is too very keen in finding out the new ways and new tricks.
A true genius in every sense, the talents of this whiz kid is not just limited to mathematics.
I enjoy everything. Things which has speed, things which are creative, I like it. Yeah, I like to play table tennis. I like to play chess. I like to swim. I like to run, and I even like to ride. I ride a horse. Well, I'm not decided yet. I don't know what will happen, but I'm focused right now. I have to study well, and then I'll see what is good for me, for my future.
Steady focus, rock-solid determination, a gifted mind, and the intent to do something different. Priyanshi Somani possesses just the right mix of qualities essential for every young achiever.
I would be saying that nothing is impossible. I will impossible till I'm possible. So, and